Hi everybody, welcome back. So today's video is about a skincare device that I've been trying out. This was a product that was sent to me. This is not being sponsored at all, but it was sent to me. So what I'm talking about is the NUOVALUCE Anti-Aging Device with Microcurrent and Light Therapy technology. So this is a company that's based out of California. And I like testing devices like this out, just to see, do they really work? And it helps my viewers to see whether this is something that they want to try, whether they want to spend their money on it. And I like companies that say to me that they just want my honest opinion. I will always give you guys my honest opinion, whether something is sent to me or not. And companies, the companies that say to me, we kind of want you to say this about it, or they give you talking points, I usually just decline those ones. I'd want to give my own feedback, my own honest feedback. So that's the companies that I usually go with when I'm, going to test out a product. So this one was one of those companies that said they just want an honest review on it. They just want me to try it out and see how I like it. So I have been trying this for about 4 weeks now. And I've been using it twice a week. The recommended guideline is anywhere between 2 and 4 times a week, but that's just kind of where I've fitted into my schedule. And I will have everything listed down below of the brand, like the actual company, their website, all that sort of stuff. I'll have that down below for you guys. And the other product, and they sent also some gels. So one is so it's just like a regular conductive gel, and then this one is a silver conductive gel. So this one is more if you have sensitive skin. So I've been testing both of the gels, and I really didn't see, like on me personally, I didn't see a difference in either gel. So I've been just using the green one myself. But yeah, like I said, I really haven't noticed much of a difference. What I thought was great about this packaging, this is totally off topic, but I don't know if you can kind of see on the base here, there's that's where it's gonna come out. And I was sitting here and I'm like, does the lid come off? Does that and then all of a sudden all I did was went like that and it popped up. And I just thought, that is awesome packaging. I wish that most packages would do that. I think that's fantastic. And then you just turn it and it goes back down. So I thought that was just ingenious. Anyhow, that's besides the point. Let's get back to the actual product. So when you open it up, I've been just keeping it in the box. I just find that I just don't want it getting damaged. So I've just been keeping it in the box when I've been using it. So it comes like that. And you get the unit, which has this is the microcurrent head on it. And then it also has another head on it, which I will talk about in a minute. And then it also has inside is your charging cord. So you plug this side in, goes into the actual bottom of the unit. And then you can hook this up. I just have been hooking it up into my little adapter on my phone charger cord. I just have that and I plug it into the wall, or you can just put it into your laptop or anything like that. So I thought that was great. And what I also like about it is this unit you can use without it being attached to a cord. There's other devices that I've used where there's a cord attached, so you're kind of sometimes confined into an area, but this one is great because there's no cord that you have to have plugged in while you're using the actual unit. And then also inside the box was a couple of little cards. So this is like your instruction card. Then it also came with your warranty card. So it does have a 5-year warranty. There's also a 90-day guarantee. So if you are not satisfied with it, just send it back to them and they will give you your money back. And then an authenticity card as well. You have to register your device within 10 days of receiving it. And it just has a little number on the back there that it's authentic. And then also a little bit about the company. So this was also featured in Forbes magazine. I believe it was Entrepreneur magazine, and also featured on the Today Show. So I thought that was pretty good because those are pretty big names to be affiliated with this. And then I will also give you a little bit of history about myself. So I am 52 years old. I have quite dry skin in the wintertime. It is even more drier. I have issues around my eye area here, like crow's feet. My smile lines, I'm very self-conscious about. I have quite deep ones. You can probably see that on the camera. I have forehead wrinkles. I'm starting to get, these I call them my 11s here. Those are quite pronounced. And also just here on my neck area, I'm starting to get just very loose skin. So with all of those issues, I mean, whatever creams, lotions, all that sort of stuff, those can only do so much. So I think that having a device to kind of assist with that is a great idea. And what I also like about this device is it also can be used with your skincare routine. This is just to enhance your skincare routine. You can use all of your regular skincare products, your lotions, your serums, like if you put suntan lotion on, all those sort of things. You can still use your regular skincare products. And I found that these gels actually make my skin so much softer after I've used it. And after you use the gel, you can leave it on your face for about 5-10 minutes before you wash it off. Now what Microcurrent is designed to do, so that's this head right here. So this is going to lift and tone and tighten your skin. It's going to help rebuild your collagen and elastin. And with these type of devices, the longer you use it, the better the results you're going to see over a long term. So I'm going to stick a picture of, like I said, I've used it for about like 4 weeks, it wasn't until I kind of married the two pictures up. So I have before and after pictures. So when I could see, I saw a little bit of improvement, I'm going to say on my forehead wrinkles, and also a little bit of difference on like my crow's feet area. My smile lines, I didn't see a significant difference at this point. But keep in mind, I've only been using it for 4 weeks. So the long-term effects, you're gonna see more like 60 days, 90 days. Anything with these devices, you're going to see it over the long haul. It's like going to the gym. I guess I could look at it like going to the gym. You're not going to go to the gym and for a week and instantly you're going to see results. That's not how that works, right? You're seeing results over a period of time, and this is no different. This is what that's doing as well. But where I will say I have noticed a difference, and it was where I put the side shots. Like I'll have my front shot, and then when I actually married the pictures together of my side shots, that's where I noticed the biggest difference was just in this area here, my jawline. I would say this area right here seemed tighter and a little bit more toned. So I was very happy to see that, because it's one of those things, you look in the mirror at yourself every day and you kind of go, well, I don't know, do I see a difference? So it wasn't until, like I said, I put the pictures together and I went, oh, actually, okay, I can see a difference. And it's, again, keep in mind, it's always hard to, when you take a before picture and then it's been such an amount of time. So trying to get the exact same positioning of the camera where I was sitting, I think I did a okay job of getting the actual position that I was sitting. But again, it's hard. I was like, okay, did I keep my head kind of, straight looking forward or that sort of thing? So there is maybe a slight little difference where my head might be angled just slightly off. But for the most part, definitely noticed these two areas here. And then I also noticed right here, I was using this part. So that was talking about this part here. And then when you use this part, which is the red light therapy, that part, and I'll demonstrate it here in a second, that's the part where I was using it more on where my wrinkles are. So this area here, my forehead, I was using it more on my forehead, between my eyebrows, and using it on my neck. Now I should have taken a before picture of my neck. I just didn't think I was going to be really using it on my neck. And then once I started getting to use the device, I was like, oh yeah, okay, well, maybe I'll just kind of start putting it a little bit on my neck. So I'm going to do, when I do like a bit of an update video for you guys, now that I have a picture of my neck, I'll show you kind of what difference it has made on there. But what I can see from the pictures is these lines right here. I have started developing these horizontal lines, which is kind of irritating me. But when I looked at the pictures, I could definitely see a difference in these lines right here. They seem a little bit less pronounced. So that made me quite happy, because these, I think it's from me looking down all the time, looking at my phone and that sort of thing. And you get these crevices here. So I was quite happy with that. I haven't really noticed anything with this lax skin here, but like I said, now that I have a picture of my neck, I'll be able to see the before and after pictures, whether it has made a difference in that area as well. So to get it actually into using the device, so what I do usually is I've been doing this in the morning. This is just kind of how my routine, developed with this. I quickly give my face a little bit of a wash, make sure it's clean. Dry skin, don't be using it with makeup. It has to be clean and dry skin. And then I use the gel. So I take the gel and I apply it in the area that I'm going to start in, because this will dry. So I wouldn't recommend putting on your face, putting it on your face and then start using the device, because it's just going to dry. So, and then it's just wasting the product. So I just started in the area that I am going to use the device. So for me, I was starting it on this side of my face, and it has the power button. So right there. And then there's also all these, so there's low and high settings. So I have been using it at a 2 setting. That's just what my comfort zone was. And then you can go right up as the longer you use it. So say at like 4 weeks, 6 weeks, you can start increasing the intensity. I haven't made it up to like 4 yet. I've just been keeping it at like 2 or 3 setting. And I don't want to use it on my face because I have makeup on right now. But what you do is, and I'll insert some footage, I've been using it as like putting it up on my face, and that's what the gel does. It's just kind of help it glide on your skin. And I use like more of a motion of going up on my skin and pressing it. There won't be any real sensation with this. I found the first time I used it, I thought, am I using this correctly? Like I don't feel anything, because in other devices you can definitely feel like you're using it. But this one, just as long as you can see like there's a blue light that you'll see as you're using it on your face, there won't be any like vibration, nothing like that. And there's just kind of like, sometimes you'll hear like a little bit of a, and that way you know, like you can feel something. But like, yeah, don't expect a big, huge, like a vibration or anything, because that's not what this is doing. And I usually just start on this side of my face, and then I would apply a little bit more gel. I would use it on my forehead. So on my forehead, I was just kind of going like this in an up and down motion. You can use it like in a circular motion, but that was just my thing. I just used it in as a going up motion. I started then I would go over to this side of my face, use it all on this side. I liked using these. I liked how it's separated, because it really fits nicely into my jawline. So I would use it up along my jawline, and then I would use it kind of in my cheek area here on these sides, and down my neck area. Now it will shut off automatically after 10 minutes. That is what it says to use it, is don't use it longer than 10 minutes. So what I've been doing is I time myself on my Fitbit. So I look down, okay, so what I do is split it into a 5 and 5. So I use this head for 5 minutes, shut the device off, make sure it's shut off before you switch the heads around. And all there is a little button on the back here, and you just press that in, take that head off, and then you insert the little red therapy like that. So now you have the red therapy. This has no different settings. It's just like a simple, like an on. So you can kind of see the red there. And now this one I use next for the next 5 minutes. And I concentrate this one on the areas on my smile lines here. And right down in here, you can see like I have lines just down in this area here. So I concentrate it all around my mouth area, around my lips, because all those little fine lines you get around your lips. I use it around my crow's feet area, especially on my forehead for all my wrinkles there. And then my last was I would use it along these lines here, where I was talking about earlier, those horizontal lines that I'm getting. And then another area that I've been concentrating the red light on is also my hyperpigmentation, because that's what it said it will also help with. So the red light therapy is going to help with fine lines and wrinkles. It's helping with discoloration, sunspots, that sort of thing. So where I've been concentrating it on this area right here. Now, unfortunately, because it is summertime, that hyperpigmentation just gets a little bit darker right now at this time of year, because I'm exposed to a little bit more sun than I normally would be. Right now, it's kind of hard to say that it's doing anything for my hyperpigmentation, but as I start going more into the fall where there isn't a lot of sunlight, then I know that this will hopefully be working and it can hopefully fade that spot a little bit better for me. And I think I said earlier that this helps promote collagen as well. So that's why I have been really liking that part of it, and it does make my skin just feel a little bit smoother. And then something I forgot to mention earlier is for me personally on my skin, I've been trying to keep my skincare products the exact same for the entire time that I've been using this device. So I've been using the same moisturizer, the same sunscreen. Like, I haven't deviated from any of that because I didn't want the results of the product being skewed at all, because then I wouldn't know, like if I was using a different lotion or that sort of thing, that lotion may make my skin feel different than another lotion. So if that makes sense, I just was trying to keep everything the same, and I didn't deviate from any of that because I wanted the benefits of the product to come through for that. Now, when I looked on the website, as of when I'm filming this, it retails for $449, and that's American on the website. But what I have found about this site, or like this company, is they always have a sale on their site. Like, I haven't gone on there yet and not seen like a sale price. So the actual sale price they have it on for is $224.50, and that's for the unit that you get, like both the heads and the charging cord. The gels are sold separately, so that those are separate. But for the actual just unit, that's how much the price is. So if I would say, you know, if you're looking to buy this, then I would wait and for the sale. But like I said, most times that I've gone onto the site, there is always a sale on for the $224.50. And once I'm done with the device, so after I've completed my treatment for the day, I just quickly wash my face off. So whether that's I wash my face or I jump in the shower, that sort of thing, and then just go about your business of applying your regular skincare products. So I usually use my moisturizer and my serum and my sunscreen, and that's I'm set for the day after that. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you a little bit of information about the product. And like I said, I enjoy making these type of videos because it just I hope it helps you guys make an informed decision of whether this is something that you want to purchase for yourself. And I will say in the comments, because I haven't wanted to say that I was using this, and in some of the comments from a few videos, I've had some of you saying to me that your skin looks so good and all this sort of stuff, and I didn't want to say what I was doing because I wanted this to be like a first impression for you guys. But yeah, this is part of the reason I think of why my skin has been looking just I think it just looks more plumper, and I don't know, there's just, when I've been looking in the mirror for like the last couple of weeks, it just looks nicer, and I've been very happy with this. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and like I said, I'll leave the information down below for their website, and I don't have any code or anything like that for you guys because like I said, they usually have a sale going on. If you want to check out, what I did notice, because I was trying to do a little bit of research on the product, and there's a ton of videos about this product, so go and see a bunch of the other YouTube videos out there about it. There's lots to choose from. For the most part, I can see, you know, that there's quite a few like positive results from people, and some of them have some really good like before and after shots. So go and check those out. I always like to see people when they can actually show like those really noticeable differences in before and afters. So there was quite a few of those, and that again really impressed me. And let me know down below whether this is something that you guys have tried, or if there's other devices that you guys have tried. Like I said, I've tried some other devices in the past. You know, this was just another one. I find that there is so many on the market right now, and it's trying to choose which ones are the really good ones and which ones maybe just don't do as good of a job. So let me know if this one you've tried or any other devices you've tried. And if you're new here, hi, thank you so much for stopping by, and I hope you consider subscribing to my channel if you enjoy mature makeup videos or skincare, that sort of thing, anything to do with like the over 40, over 50 type of products. That's kind of what I do here on this channel. And make sure to give this a big thumbs up if you enjoy these type of videos. And you can also, like I say all the time, you can also follow me over on Instagram and Twitter and Facebook. I have all of those. Those are always down in the description box. And as always, I hope everybody has a great week and a great life, and I will see you all very soon in my next video. Bye!